Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this particular video, we will be uh, working on the product management service. In the earlier videos, we saw that we worked on the customer management, we Dockerized it, we executed it using Kubernetes, then on top of that Helm charts, package manager, and in the previous video, we created a libraries to reuse uh, data structures across these three projects. So in this video, we will be creating a new project and work on this product management, which is going to be almost similar to the customer management thing. So let's get started. So the first thing what I can do is uh, I'll just go to here is our customer management project. I'll just copy paste and just give it a name product because most of the features will be same. All I need to do is rename this to product, save it, close. Now we can do rest of the things from IntelliJ, add another module, product management. Okay, so this is the build.gradle. I think most of the things will be required here. Yeah. So all we need to do is instead of customer controller, we need to change these things. Okay, so let's just first create the data structure. For that, we created a customer object here. Let's create a product object. For that, first a package product, then a class product. We can have private long product ID, name. This is for category. Description. Category would probably be an enum, but for now let's just go along with the string. So let's do long data, no our constructor, all our constructor. Okay, this is done. So okay, let me just close all the customer ones so that we don't inadvertently change the customer ones. Yeah, so this will be product controller. Return type would be product. Oops, I forgot to build first publish. Remember, we go to retail API. Let's build it. And I think we can do publish to Maven local directly from these tasks here. And then let's do the refresh. Waiting for the Gradle model here. This is done. Yeah, we got the new product here. Looks good. They should also return. Now we need to change the service. Let's change the service name to product service. And they should return product. Sorry for that. And this should also be product repo. And we have to create entity can just copy paste from the product class. Hmm. Think some issue here. It's still letting something happen. Cool. So we have created the entity. I have to replace. This is done. I did a shortcut to organize imports. Just need to replace all the customer entity with product entity. This is done. Also the mapper needs to be changed. So replace this. This is done. This looks fine. Product mapper. Let's the reference also. This is done. This reference also. Anywhere customer, I don't see here. Product service looks fine. All we need to do is now just deploy this product service. Okay, so here instead of customer management, make it product. This file name management. Let's do a quick replace. Replace all. Service looks fine. This is done. Values. We can use the same DB or a different. For now, let's keep the same DB. This is fine. Next. Let's try to run this thing and see whether we are getting. Okay, this class also needs to be changed. Cool. Let's run this thing. Some errors. JPA mapping context. Oops, I have to pass on the environment variables. I can just copy it from the customer management if I have them. So here also I think the same, just because we are using the same DB, I think we can use the same key values. And port number should not matter, because here we're not going to run this thing in our host system, because these are going to be executed within a Docker container. So they are there. each service like product or customer will be executing on within their own Docker. So port number, keeping it 8080 should not be a problem. Now let's update the values, environment variable values. Okay, let's just also save this one and run. Okay, so let's just test our alive thing. Instead of this product and seed 080, it should be a get live. We are getting it. So this looks okay. Now what we need to do quickly is test our Helm chart configuration. If you haven't watched the Helm chart configuration video, I would highly recommend to watch the earlier videos before. In fact, I would suggest to go through the playlist, otherwise you will not get the context here. Um, so we have this thing. Let's do a Helm install. Um, so let's just open the Minikube dashboard. Minikube is already running in my system, so let's open the dashboard here. Pods, no pods are there. Services. Okay, let's check a demo namespace earlier, which we created in the previous video. Nothing is there. Okay, let's open up a new terminal. So here we are going to install our product management stuff. So let's get out of customer management, cd product management, Helm. Okay, Helm install -n demo test release product management. Hopefully this should deploy these things here. So these are red. So the thing is, unless the database is up and running, if these pods get created before that, then they would fail and again retry and it will pass. So as you can see, this is now green. Now I'm expecting, okay, so okay, one thing which I missed is I haven't provided the image. So if you see, the error is product management latest image is not available. So what I can do is, as I have shared with you this eval Docker environment, so let's go to the Docker environment there and do a Gradle build first of this project, product management project. Once this is done, then we will do a Docker build. So for Docker build, we were using this command. So let's just copy and replace customer with product. Anything else? No, looks fine. It's done. Let's check the image, whether it is there. Product management latest, it's there. Now hopefully, okay, one of the pod is up. Oh no. Let's wait for some time, otherwise we'll do a fresh deployment. Okay, let's just uninstall and reinstall. Helm -n demo test release. Let's install again. Note, if you are not clear with this Helm commands and all, I would highly recommend to get some understanding about the basic Helm commands and watch the previous video where I have mentioned how to set up the Helm and all for the customer management service. So let's run it. Let's see. Hopefully this time around all the pods should come up green after the DB pod is up. I'll just pause the video here. Once they are all green, I'll come back. Okay, so there is one more mistake it seems. So they're still looking for this customer management app, which I think is in the build.gradle. I forgot to rename it. We change it to product. So we have to do again all the builds. Now the Docker build. Now Helm uninstall. Now Helm install. Let's see what happens this time. Looks green. Let's wait for this to come green, then we'll check. Okay, this is also green. Let's check the logs whether the server is up and running. Okay, looks good. Now let's try with a Postman URL. So the IP was this thing. So instead of customer, we will have to product product. One more mistake which we did. As of now, it will work fine, but in future it will create a problem. Is this we didn't change the port number 32001 service port number, which is here. Product management, this one. So because in the customer management also we have provided the same port, so that will create a clash. So we should be giving this one. For now, it will work because customer management is not deployed. So let's check it out. Let's do a get. So we are getting a response. This is the pod name ng8xf. I don't know whether it will be visible for you or not. I'm sorry, I can't find a way to increase the Postman font size. ng8xf is the ending pod thing. Let's check the pod names. Yeah, the first one. So it responded. Now in this video we will try to keep it short until this point only. In the upcoming videos, the only thing you note is we have to change this to 32002 because in the product in the customer management also we have provided the same port, so they would clash. So if this is 1, we can give this one as 2, and they should work fine when both are deployed together. So that's it for now in this video. In the upcoming video, we will try to cover, as per the plan, order management. So we are done with customer management, we are done with product management. Now order management. So order management, one cool thing is like it will try to integrate, like it will try to retrieve the customer records, it will try to retrieve the product records before creating the order. So it will be fun how to see like how we communicate with other microservice from this order management service. Okay, see you in the upcoming video. Bye for now.